In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make TikTok videos using Hailuo AI. By the end, you'll have a short vertical AI generated clip that's perfect for TikTok's fast, looping format without getting lost in complicated settings. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Hailuo AI website. This is where we'll generate the video from a simple text description. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Create Video option and click it. That takes you straight into the workspace where all the magic happens. Before you type anything, think about the scene you want. TikTok favors quick, punchy visuals, so aim for one clear idea. Describe the subject, the action, and the setting in simple visual terms. Mention mood, lighting, and camera motion if it matters. For example, you might say a slow pan across neon-lit city streets at night, light rain, reflections on wet pavement, cinematic style. Concrete nouns and active verbs help the model understand you. Try to avoid mixing conflicting directions like bright sunlight and nighttime in the same prompt, and keep your language consistent so the result looks cohesive. Now, set the format to vertical 9:16 if that option is available. This fills the phone screen and prevents black bars in TikTok. Next, choose a short duration. Around 5 to 6 seconds is ideal. That sweet spot keeps attention high, loops cleanly, and gives you flexible room for cuts or transitions when you edit inside TikTok later. Type your prompt into the text box exactly as you planned it. Be specific but concise. If style matters, add a brief note like cinematic, handheld, or smooth camera pan. If color and vibe matter, include cues such as warm golden hour light or cool cyberpunk tones. The goal is to give enough detail to steer the model without overloading it with unrelated ideas. When you're happy with the description and settings, click Create. Hailuo AI will process your request and start rendering the video. This can take a moment, and the time varies with server load and how detailed your prompt is. Shorter clips usually generate faster. Wait for it to load. You'll see the progress update and then your preview appear. Take a breath here and let it finish. When the clip is ready, watch it through to confirm it matches the vision you described. That's it. You've generated a TikTok-ready vertical AI video using a clear prompt and the optimal short duration, making your content fast to produce and easy to remix.